Hello everybody, this is StockWaver. Today we are installing CJ's FuturesPRO indicator. First thing I'm going to do here is when I install an indicator, I like to click on the object tree window. So this panel will show what's on the chart. Right now I have nothing on the chart. Next, we click on the icon overhead for the indicators. Click on invite only, and then click on CJ's FuturesPRO by StockWaver. Okay, that'd be right there. Just click on it once, that's all you need. You can close it out and give it some time and it will load up. Once you have it loaded up, it's going to be kind of compressed like it is with most larger complex indicators. What you need to do is to either hover over the pricing bar or the price scale there and drag it up with the mouse. Just click on it. You'll get this arrows right like that. And then as you're doing that, you'll need to come down and drag it down and keep it centered. Okay. And we'll just keep doing that. Another way of doing this is rolling the mouse. And what I'm doing here is rolling my mouse. You can't see me doing it, of course, but again, you can just simply drag it too if you want to, but the mouse is probably a little bit easier. And as you are doing that, what you want to do is you want to get that plus sign to appear, so you can drag it up and down. You want to keep it centered as we're doing this. Okay. Otherwise, what happens sometimes is that when you stretch it out too much, that plus sign disappears. Then all you have to do is drag this back down, and then when the plus sign will come back, then you can just recenter it again. Okay. Again, we'll just need to stretch it out like this. Keep it centered as we're going along, and then with the mouse wheel, or just drag it up on it, click and drag. And if you want to size it sideways, you want to stretch it out a little bit more this way, you can too by dragging the time and hour bar down underneath. Or again, you can roll your mouse. Same thing. I'm rolling my mouse right now. You can't see me doing it. Okay. So again, what you will need to do is stretch it out once you have it installed. Okay. On the next video, we will go ahead and talk about settings.